Is this set of S26 Ultra screen protectors from WSKEN going to be worth it for your new phone? Let's find out. When it comes to everything included, you have the installation helper tray here, which does already have a pre-installed screen protector. Right here, you do have a bubble removal tool, so if you have any air bubbles, you're going to be able to get those out. The installation package, which comes with your microfiber cloth and any wet wipes to wipe your phone off with. And then you do have a spare screen protector here too, so it does come with two, which is nice. So I have my S26 Ultra here. I'm going to show you how to install the screen protector now. It is super simple. All you're going to want to do is get your phone, again, make sure you have it all nice and cleaned off beforehand. You're going to place it right down on the screen side, so screen side down right on that screen protector that is pre-installed. It'll have a nice snug fit, so you can just fit that in there. It is going to close like a book, so you're going to close it up. Make sure that the piece right here is sticking out, so you can pull the screen protector film off. And now we're just going to pull, do it on a harder surface, pull out right here, slowly. All right, gonna open it up. And once you lift up, that other protective film piece will come right off, as you can see there. Nicely installed now. All we have to do is just get rid of that bubble. Again, we have that remover tool, so I'm going to do that real quick. And there you have it. Screen protector is nicely installed. Everything is lined up perfectly. Was able to get those air bubbles out really easily as well with that tool. Just scrape them out. They come right out pretty easy. What's great about these new ones from WSKEN 2 is that these have an AR technology, meaning anti-reflection. So if you're outside, you want to use your phone, there's not going to be that annoying glare always shining through, and you can, obviously see the other surroundings when you're trying to use it. These block that out so you can see your phone screen at all times, even in extreme daylight. Great quality as always though. Definitely would recommend these if you do use your phone outside a lot, especially if you're in the sunlight. These will block that right out. You can still see your phone screen, and they still have that really durable and tough tempered glass, so gonna protect your phone screen as well. Definitely a recommendation of mine.